welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Kayla's house. We're going to be sharing with y'all her last Christmas in this home before she moves into her new home. Y'all probably don't even know much about it. I don't know if we've told them or told any of y'all on here about Kayla's new home that they're remodeling. So Austin's great-grandparents?
Just grandparents.
Just grandparents. They're remodeling their home. They have passed away. How many years ago was that? Did they pass away?
His papa passed away about 7 years ago, and his nana probably about 5.
So they are remodeling their family home, and they're going to be moving into it like the beginning of the year. They are so close to being done. I'm so excited to share it with y'all. We're going to share with y'all a little sneak peek, just a little sneak peek, because we're going to be doing like a full video in the new year of like what it looked like before and then the after and then us decorating it all. So I'm going to share with y'all a sneak peek of that, but I knew that y'all were missing Kayla. We haven't done like Tuesday Adventures at all because they've been working on this house, and today we are getting together and we're going to be doing lots of Christmas DIYs. Like we're going to be making a fudge, showing like a Christmas DIY from something sentimental from her or from the grandparents' house, and then sharing with y'all her home tour, just all kind of fun things today. Just pretty much all about Kayla, all about her life, and then y'all go follow her over on Instagram. I'll link it down below. She has lots of before and afters already up of the house, how it looked before and then how it's looking now. It was like an orange color and now it is green. Like it is really good before and afters. So we're super excited. It is like so glamorous here. Her kitchen, my favorite kitchen ever. It is so glamorous. I love it. I cannot wait to share it all with y'all. But that's what we're going to be doing today, is just kind of doing like a day in the life with us, and then like Christmas DIYs last minute. Like let's get it all done. Austin just got back from the store and he picked up supper. Look at this bag from Piggly Wiggly. This is Kayla's husband, Austin.
Making breakfast this morning. I wanted to show y'all my super cute little waffle makers. So this one is a snowflake, as y'all can see, and a gingerbread man. We get these from like Target or TJ Maxx, and they're like $10 each. Super affordable and so fun to make.
She's collected all of them, as you can see.
Yes, I have a pumpkin one too for fall time. This is a Christmas tree, and I've already made one, and we put chocolate chips in them.
I love chocolate chips in my waffles.
And we're going to continue to make some more. is a mess.
This is the catch-all room.
This is everything new house where it goes.
Oh, that was the backsplash. I'll pick something
that was
else.
one of the options.
We're gonna, like I said, take y'all to the new house and just give y'all a tiny sneak peek because I want to wow y'all with the before and afters. We've got to go get something there anyway, so I'll show y'all little tidbits. And we can meet the new kitty.
Oh, yes.
Little Willow. So this is all her stuff. Where's the little knife set and all that you were talking about? I said, you've got to get a new knife set because her kitchen's all white this time. This is nice. It come from Walmart?
TJ Maxx.
Oh, TJ. That is
But
so... How much?
It's a Walmart name brand, though. It was $60.
It was $60? That is so nice. It's going to be sharp in there. I said it's going to be sharp. Yeah, pun intended. I didn't mean to do that, but that was pretty cool. So this is her new cookware set that she got. This is from Walmart. Their time and table stuff is beautiful. I saw the black and gold one that I kind of wanted too. She got the green. Her favorite colors are this green color and navy. And then she got this. So this is, I guess, like a charcuterie board. What all does it come with it?
Yeah, it's like a bacon set. It comes with a cutting board, different charcuterie board pieces, measurings, cups.
They're so pretty. And look, it's the navy. So she's getting her colors in her house. This is nice stuff at Walmart. We're looking for another Christmas scene with some Christmas music. This is off of YouTube. Look how pretty these scenes are. And we're going to start wrapping some of her Christmas presents.
Let's do this.
I'm going to show y'all Kayla's setup for wrapping. She has this that she got at Hobby Lobby, and this has like her tags in it.
Oh, the thrift store.
Oh, the thrift store. You can get them at Hobby Lobby though. And then your tape, all kinds of like little ribbon and things. And then she has her basket, which has tissue paper, gift bags.
Ribbon.
And then this, where'd you get this? Amazon?
Walmart.
And then this is what her wrapping paper is in. So it's like very handy and convenient to be able to pull out to wrap, and it's all organized. So nice.
Willow. I came up when I was just a little baby cat, and now I'm back. Excuse my baby voice. We found this kitten when she was just a newborn down in the woods, and the mommy took her and nursed her back to where she is now. Now she's come back to be our little farm cat.
So now they have a little baby at their house, and she's so sweet. To be like a wild cat, she's so friendly. Yes. See, I'm not scared of anybody. I just want some loving.
Okay, so these are the windows that came out of the house originally. We replaced them all, but these are the windows we took out, and we are going to get old family pictures and put them in there and give it to his parents as a little Christmas gift, showing how we redid the home and showing the memories that were originally here. Welcome to our new home.
I am so excited to see all of this finished. We're whispering because the painters are here. Look how beautiful all of this is. Look at the backsplash and the countertops. And so nice. Go ahead.
Got a big ugly trash bag in it right now, but.
So this is their island.
We've got something covered up on it right now, but it's the same countertops. We just have this on there to protect it.
And then up here, look how beautiful this is. Like I said, I'm just giving y'all the sneak peek at the kitchen, and it's not even like cleaned up or put together yet, but I wanted to share it with y'all. and then we'll come back at the beginning of the year whenever they're completely finished, and y'all are gonna die at the transformation, the before and after video that we're gonna have for this, and then we're gonna decorate it all. This is our pantry. This is so nice. I love this room. I love that lantern. So ready to have a big backyard.
Okay, here's the front of the home. It's not finished, as y'all can see. We still got to stain the porch and paint the front door, do a few more things, but it is a start. And like Holly said, this is just a sneak peek. Y'all will see a full before and after closer to time, but we can't wait to share it all with you.
Yes, and the landscaping, they have a huge yard. Oh, look at the little kitty. So we're gonna have fun showing videos, but I wanted to share with y'all a sneak peek so y'all could hit that subscribe button and get ready for decorating a new home. Now we're making grilled cheeses for lunch because we're getting kind of hungry. Those waffles didn't hold us over, and we have to do some DIY candy and Christmas gifts. So Kayla has all these cute little cookie cutters, and we're making grilled cheeses, and we're going to make them a little bit more festive. So here is our lunch for the day. Little grilled cheeses. We have a snowflake, a snowman, a Christmas tree, and a gingerbread man. These turned out super cute, and that was really easy to make.
Welcome to Kayla's Kitchen. We are going to make peanut butter fudge. So all you need is a jar of peanut butter and a can of this cream cheese frosting. We're going to heat these up for about 30 seconds each. Line our dishes with parchment paper, and then swirl it. We'll show you the rest. Swirl it together and let it harden in the fridge.
Okay, let's go. So I thought that she has like made this every year. She has not. She saw this on TikTok.
I mean, my mama makes it. This is the first time me making it like all by myself, like a big girl.
Okay, so, but she's made it like this before.
Oh.
Okay. Well, this is a TikTok version, so we're gonna see how easy this is. I thought this was like a done deal. We knew what we were doing, but I think we're winging it. Okay, now it's been in there for almost a minute, so the 30 seconds is not gonna work. You gotta make sure that it's like a runny consistency. That's what you're looking for, right?
Yes, you want it to bounce.
There. It looks easy enough.
The 2 different pans is for 2 separate events.
Okay, and she said that you just swirl it together now. It's not swirling.
I'm almost gonna watch this and be like, what failure.
I know, Kayla's mom is like the perfect baker, and this is not swirling. That's better. You have to come over here to investigate it, Austin.
This is going to be more cream cheesier than the other one.
I think this one's going to look better than that other one. Yeah. So that is all. Then she's going to stick it in the refrigerator for how long?
Stick it in the refrigerator for probably 3 to 4 hours, she said. But I'm
Just
going to leave it in
until
there.
A few days, right?
A few days.
Yeah, she's just going to put it in there until it hardens, and then she's going to cut it up. So here is the little tin. She's going to cut these up and put it in here and take it to a holiday party. Such an easy DIY thing that you can take. It'd be perfect for a little gift to, like a little gift to your neighbor or a family friend or someone that lost a loved one this year. I love this. That was super easy. We're about to make like a little DIY present for Austin's parents, and Kayla has all these pictures pulled out of the grandparents that lived in their home that they're remodeling and Austin's family. This is actually their fireplace, and they have redone the fireplace, the mantle, and it looks so good. But this is what it looked like at Christmas time whenever his grandparents lived in it. So I thought this was so cute. I told her she had to frame this and put it out at Christmas time. And then there is also one of them beside the shed at their house now. So lots of good little Christmas pictures that, or in really everyday pictures I see, and she's going to take those, and we are going to do something with this old window that came out of that house as y'all just saw. And then also I found some chapstick that I'm going to be putting in Drew's stocking. This will be perfect for him. get some glue or staple gun or something and really put the bow up there and fluff it better. We just have it stuck up there the best that we can right now because she doesn't have the materials to stick it up there better, like some hot glue or something. And then she's gonna run the bow atop and then right there, and I think it's gonna look so pretty and it's gonna be very sentimental, and her in-laws are going to love it. Hey friends, that is it for today's video. I hope they all had fun with me and Kayla today. And I guess the next time that we will be seeing y'all, it will be after Christmas. So I'm going to be sharing with y'all like my Christmas weekend, what we're doing, maybe some of the little gifts that I get. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see like a gift haul on things like I asked for and friends and family surprise me with. Let me know if you want to see that down in the comments. And then also we will be going to Kayla's house next year in 2022. We're super excited about that. And then we'll be starting to build our home in 2022. We've already got some things ordered like the lumber and things, so we'll be starting on that in January. So lots of fun and exciting things coming your way. Thank y'all for being with us today, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next one. Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas.
Bye y'all.